coral home. I feel so safe, I'm not alone. The water's bright, but swimming far feels like a flight. Oh, Lila, the little fish. Hi friends, I'm Lolo. Subscribe to our channel.